Yeah. 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 Same aim through the chest, same game, ludicrous. They ain't saying who the best, they ain't playing Budapest. Who the king, who the next? I'm scared of that. This is compared to that. Lyrically, vicious, the air to that. I'm like the camera catching you talking, like Miramax. You talking shit after we park, you gon' be wearing that. I'm feeling like Cassidy Spark, yo, beware of that. And yeah, I'm raps Ashley Parker, been there and back. Now he's nasty, she with me, then she's classy. She as bad as can be, but I keep her knees ashy. Nigga, I make that click sit up. She make my dick spit up. You make my day, you keep her wrist lit up. You a Louis bag buyer. I'm gonna push the new Jag until we crash until the tags expire. So recognize fire, recognize the best.
We are back. So I haven't updated my channel in forever. I have been super busy with just other stuff. So I haven't really done much with the car, but the car has had some changes. Also, for sale. Somebody wants to buy this. Come buy it. I want to buy a Terminator. Do it. Anyways, so I just picked the car up from paint, actually, about 3 days ago. I had the front bumper repainted. It was in really rough shape. There was some cracks in the clear coat and stuff. Looks pretty good. I can't quite tell if it's off a shade a little bit. I'm gonna roll it out in the sun here in a second. And the rear bumper, same thing. There's some weird spots in it. I had that redone while I was at the paint shop. It almost looks like it's a shade off. I'm gonna roll it out in the sun. We'll get some video. But I'm actually about to jack the car up, and it's making a funky noise currently. I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm gonna get underneath the car and see if I can figure out what it is. It almost sounds like my exhaust is hitting something, so we're gonna take a look. I'm trying to get a little bit of video of what the noise is, if it makes it while I'm moving it around a little bit. Also, focus. Nobody really cares about this thing, but I had this thing totally detailed and ceramic coated and did a paint protection film on the front bumper. Man, this thing looks amazing. Really brought out a lot of gloss, a lot of depth. I washed this on Wednesday. Today's Saturday. So it's still kind of like dirty at the moment, and it looks amazing still. Highly recommend getting that done if you're into keeping your paint super nice. Shout out to ProTech Detailing in upstate South Carolina. Patrick, he's a good dude, took care of me, got this thing looking amazing. And if this thing doesn't sell, it's going to him in about 2 weeks for the same treatment. Get the clear bra on the front bumper after having that repainted. Keep me from messing it up and damaging the paint where I destroy cones at autocross. So I'm going to move this around, jack it up, see what we can find. So that was the noise it's making. It's making this like weird rattle noise. It almost sounds like my exhaust is hitting something. We're gonna take a look. And I can't really find anything other than this, which I knew about. My rear diff seems to drip a little. I've resealed it twice. I'm using a lube blocker gasket now, which is supposed to like not leak at all. I torqued the bolts down crazy, still drips. So I'm gonna chalk it up to the UPR diff cover. Don't buy one. Sorry, UPR, it doesn't seal. But yeah, I couldn't really find anything with the car. The only thing I can find is my exhaust is really close to my K-member right here. And you can make it hit a little bit, but other than that, everything's tight. Drive shaft is tight. Exhaust isn't rubbing on anything. So I don't know what the heck that noise it was making the other day. It was like a grinding noise when I first started the car. And it's kind of gone now, so I'll see if it comes back, I suppose. So I'm gonna reinstall these like Mustang, like little bumper insert letter things. I got these from Late Model Resto. I'm gonna show you a little tip on how to install them. They're really super easy. These apparently have gone up in price. I got these for like $10 like many years ago, and they were like 25 bucks now. Just a piece of vinyl, stop upcharging. But the key here, aside from having clean paint, get your bowl full of water, put like 2 drops of dish detergent in it, and that will keep the vinyl from kind of sticking immediately to the bumper and make it a lot easier to get these on correctly. So final product, it's pretty easy. Scale of 1 to 10, it's like a half point. It's not hard at all. Soap is the key. So I'm gonna roll this back outside. Like I said, I couldn't find anything wrong, so I'm gonna roll this back outside. Throw this in here. Got a new latch from Late Model Resto, hood latch. This thing is fucking mint. That's it. No more dropping your hood from 10 feet. Best $70 I've spent on this in a while. Got the car out in the sun. Oh, it does seem to match pretty well, actually. Fender, bumper, fender. Yeah, looks good. This car has had like 9 million different body panels on it, and a bunch of different stuff has been painted, so it's never gonna match perfectly, I don't think. And now we're gonna rotate the tires on this.
First I'm in a car and then another car. I keep them joints in rotation, and I'm hella faded, getting elevated. She give me them good brains. I'm getting well educated. Soon as them hoes see my car, they want to jump right in.
Barrel scrub while they're off. I'm kind of made a habit of doing it. This is my favorite wheel cleaner, Sonax. You can buy it online. You can't really buy it in the store. It's kind of expensive. They ship it from Germany, but it is great. You just give a little spray on. This one's almost empty, but I'm going to kind of spray these down, and it'll turn like a different color when it finds lots of acid and stuff. This one's empty.
I'm super hard, the ultraviolet babe, I shot from afar. Don't you know who we are? Don't you know who we are?
I'm hip tight MJ. I know you mad hating, but my infrared.
That's it. Focus is back on the ground. Just finished up. It is hot as hell here in South Carolina. I am dying. It's like 100 degrees outside right now, so we're done. New video coming. I'm gonna work on editing the video for Q&A ish. Bunch of you basically answering questions that I get asked a lot about the Mustang build. And don't forget, it's for sale. Hit me on here, Facebook, Instagram. If you want to buy it, I'll give you details, pricing. I want to buy a Cobra. I want something that goes wee. We out.
everything it isn't. You got a cool ride, I'm saving up for business. You got a lovely wife, I got a bunch of women. Cause that's just part of life, and this is part of living. That's just part of life, and this is part of living.